Unlocking an extra $1,000 a month isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. Welcome to the Side Hustle Pyramid. I'm about to share the blueprint that transformed me from a broke school dropout into a millionaire before hitting 30. Let me guide you through 3 crucial levels, each a stepping stone to financial freedom, along with 9 cutting-edge side hustle ideas you can dive into right now. At the base of our pyramid are service-based side hustles, perfect for those starting with zero capital. These hustles are the bedrock of your financial journey, laying the groundwork for future ventures. My journey began with basic tasks, washing cars and mowing lawns. Today, you can leap ahead by tapping into online opportunities like video editing. Video editing is hot right now, fueled by a skyrocketing demand among YouTubers and businesses. The magic lies in mastering both the technical side and storytelling flair. Companies crave editors who can weave compelling narratives into their videos. Start small, maybe with TikTok or podcast edits, and scale as you hone your craft. Another surefire path is graphic design, where creativity meets commerce. Specialize, whether in logos or YouTube thumbnails, and watch your influence and income grow. Writing also offers lucrative avenues, from copywriting to creating engaging blog content. Forget long novels and think digital. The online world is where readers and clients dwell. Couple this creativity with a business mind, and you'll be off to the races. Meanwhile, coaching allows you to monetize your knowledge. Whether it's in personal development or niche hobbies, provide real value and foster a loyal client base. But the digital landscape requires presence, a virtual storefront open to all. That's where a professional website comes in, thanks to tools like Hostinger's AI website builder, quickly elevating your side hustle presence. Ascending the pyramid, next are attention-based hustles. It's about leveraging your reach. Affiliate marketing fits here perfectly. Your role is to recommend products, gaining commission from every sale made through your unique links. In this game, aligning with your audience's interests is key, ensuring they only get the best. Then there's content curation and creation, allowing you to build communities or emerge as a trusted voice. Curate compelling content or make your own, fostering engagement and expanding your digital footprint. Remember, it's more than just views. Authenticity and valuable content breed loyalty. At the pinnacle of the pyramid, we find product-based hustles. Today, launching a product-based business is a breeze compared to my early days. Think digital products, whether it's a sought-after ebook or a bespoke workout plan, or dive into e-commerce. Each offers scalable opportunities with the potential for high rewards. Whether you choose traditional e-commerce or dabble in dropshipping, branding is non-negotiable. A well-established brand doesn't just compete on price. It resonates with quality and trust. Remember, building a brand isn't about the quick sale, but creating an identity that customers remember and return to. So wherever you choose to start, make sure it aligns with your passions. These side hustles are more than moneymakers. They're stepping stones to your entrepreneurial adventure.